Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by isolating the variable, so get all x terms on one side and constants on the other. Once done, put the inequality into slope-intercept form, y(mx plus b) or y(mx plus b), because that tells you how to draw the boundary line. Make sure to simplify coefficients first. If you divide by a negative number, you will flip the inequality, so hold off until signs are clear. Now you're ready to sketch the boundary line on a coordinate plane. Now draw the boundary line. Plot the intercept and use the slope to mark a second point, then connect them. If the inequality is strict, use a dashed line. If it includes equality, draw a solid line. Once drawn, pick a test point not on the line, often 0, 0 works, and substitute it into the original inequality. If the test point makes the inequality true, shade that side. If false, shade the opposite side so the correct solutions are highlighted. Finish by labeling the shaded region and the boundary so your graph communicates the solution set. If the region extends beyond the axes, add arrows on the shading to show it's unbounded. Make sure to verify by substituting 1 or 2 additional points near the boundary. This catches mistakes. If results contradict expectations, recheck any steps where you multiplied or divided by a negative number. Those operations require you to flip the inequality sign, and that's the most common error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.